Hi YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I'm just going to show you how to upload apps on Google Apps. So if you have got an Android apps and you want to publish it to be accessible and downloaded with other users, so this is how you need to do it, right? Uh, the first step is just go to Google Console. The website will be on the description box. Now you're gonna click Google Play Console, go to Play Console. You must have an account. You need to pay one-off fee, which is, I believe, about 75 US dollar for lifetime. So once you log in, this is your account will be inside. You can see one of my apps. So click create an app. You are going to add all the application details here, what type of app it is. So for example, mine I've written like a Swahili room, and you can give any name here. So you're going to take like if it is an app or a game, I'm just going to take app for me. I'm going to tick here it is free and sign the declaration. Then after you have finished that, you're just going to click on the bottom here which say create an app. Now you need to go to your dashboard, which is going to be on the left hand side, and we need to set up all the information one by one. So click on view task and app. This is the first task app access. So I take the first one. It depends what you want to do with your app, but you'll see the information. But for the purpose of this video, I have taken the first one. And then go back to dashboard. If it has an ad, which is no for me, go back to the dashboard again and then customize. Now this is content rating. Every country has different. So you're going to answer some questions here, and then the YouTube will determine, or Google will determine what kind of app it is. So I have added my email address there in case if they need more information, and which you need to do it, and then you need to choose first what type of application it is. In my case it is education, so I'm just gonna click the one in news and education here. Okay, and then we are going to tick whether it's gonna contain any violence, sexuality, language and other things, which is for me it's gonna be no, and I'm going to tick no for all of these. Bad language, no. Okay, so after that you need to click save on the right bottom here, save, and then next. Now as we have ticked the first boxes, and this is what it gives us, like North America, Europe, it is 3 page, all these label which you are familiar with. Okay, after that just click next, and this is the label you are gonna get it here. So based on the information you have given there and the rating for different country. So based on our answers, this is what we get now regarding the age. So it is gonna be from 13 years old to 15, 16, 17, 18 and over. If you're not happy with this, there's a different process which you need to upload, like your term and condition to Google, and then they will be able to amend. So click next and target audience. Click which is for example for me, I'm just gonna click no because it might appear to children my apps, so I click the last one which is no, and this is the information which you have provided to Google. So this process, the first task has finished. Now you're gonna go back to save. Once you click save, it will take you back to the dashboard there, right? And just finish the last, what type of app is it, news, which is no for me, and click save. Okay, so the following step is just to set up a store listing, which you just need to click what type of app it is. In my case it is an app, and then it is not I mean it is an education, so I'm just gonna choose as education here. It's an educational app, and email address, which they need to contact you in case your app is different from what you have declared there, and a website and phone number if you want. So just fill in this phone number, website, and also your email address. Go on and click save. You just still need to go to dashboard to see what kind of task available for you to do. Okay, so we're gonna go back to dashboard. So next task is to add the description of your app. Click and set up your description, which is the name of your app, what type of app it is, and full description as well. So the next step, after you have filled in all your description, go to dashboard, and now we need to upload graphic. This is how your app it's going to appear on the Google Store. So there are some specification here which you need to copy them. To follow the specification, you can go to canva.com, register if you don't have an account. It is free account, and then follow the specification, create, and then choose. Yeah, here you're going to add your specification which you need based on the information there, and create design, and then you're going to upload a photo. If you have got a photo from your computer, you can just upload. You can see mine that I've already got a lot of images here which I've created by using Inkscape. If you haven't got any photo and you need to make one, any image, then just go on and download Inkscape, which I will provide the link, and then make your design from Inkscape and then upload it to Canva. And after that, you can make your design and download it. Now you can see that this is my image here, and I'm just gonna use this one first and click download, save it in your computer. Make sure, choose non-transparent. So I would suggest to use JPEG instead of PNG, although can go through as well on the app. Right. So after that, you are gonna go back to your Google console there and upload and choose your image from your download, and this is our image now. Now the next one also, it asks you for some specification there. Go back to Canva as I did before and create a design based on those information there. Just go home, create a design. Now add those number. If it is 25 by 3000, you just need to do that, and then choose the image again. If you have got already on the system, or if you need to upload, just follow the process as I said. So for this process, I'm just going to skip this process because I have already explained it, and go on to deal with our app now. So as I said, you need to to follow all the specification from your Google console there to make sure that you are providing some image. It will tell you that how many images you need minimum to use it. And these images are gonna be used with different device. For example, tablet, smartphone, computer, all these, they are gonna use different specifications. So you need to upload as many image as you can. In my case, I just uploaded few just for the reason of this video only. Now, once you have uploaded all the image, you need to go at the bottom here and add the YouTube website with YouTube address. Copy any of your YouTube address. For example, introduction video. Copy it and just paste it there. So in my case, I'm just gonna go to my YouTube. As you can see here, I'm just gonna switch account, and I'm gonna use the one which is for children education video. Right. I'm going to use the introduction. This is my introduction on my website, on my YouTube channel, and then copy the link and paste it there and click save. So we have finished this process. I understand that many of you want to see how you upload the SDK uh, to Google, but these are the process anyway you need to go through. Go back to the dashboard and see how many tasks you have completed. In my case, almost all tasks I've completed. Forget about the other, like for example, release your app. These they will come automatically after they have. I mean, your app has gone through the process. So before releasing, you need to test your app. We are going to test the app through internal because this is much more quicker. You need to choose testers. So in our case, we will use internal testers. There are lots of testers. I mean, because you are new, you might not know all those information. So go back to dashboard and then you can see my two apps here. So this is the one which I have just created now, and gonna scroll down and choose internal tester now. So this is the process or the step all of you were waiting. Okay, so choose internal, and now you are going to create your app now to upload it. So create internal testing release. We click that, and then you need to now to upload your bundle, APK bundle, which you have created by using Android Studio. So you can see I have used mine here. You will see that I'm gonna get an error. I need to explain this error. The reason is many of you you might face the same things. Right. This error because I have created two APKs bundles and I have used the same names. I have not choose a different name. So when people are searching this up on the Google Play, they will not be able to see it. In that situation, Google has rejected it. So I'm going to change the names. The process of changing name, it's going to be on different videos. So for you, I mean, just ignore this step. Just upload that bun and it will be successful. So I will just do it quick to show you. I mean, how if you are facing this problem, just go to your Android Studio and on apps and manifest, you are gonna go to edit, click edit, and then find. When you click find, you are going to find the name which you need to find and replace. You will need to add, for example, the previous name and then the new name. So that's going to replace everything. After that, when you get the notification from the event log that everything has been replaced, you need to go to build. Build, it is where we build our APKs bundle. You need to go to generate sign bundle APK. When you click sign bundle APK, this is the one which you are going to upload on Google Console. So generate sign bundle APK, choose APK, and then click next. This information, I will explain it in different video because you need to fill in all this information and click next, and then it's going to generate your bundle. After 1-2 minutes, you'll see on the event log that everything has been generated. Go and locate it and see what name it has. If you want to make any amendment of name there, you can do from there. Now, you will find it on release, and I'm going to choose the one which I have just created it, and I will change the name. So upload, and I'm gonna find the one which I want. You don't need to change any name from here because everything has been changed, but for me, I'm just going to use different name because all they had still the same name, the final production, although on the system the name has already changed. Right, click upload. So it's gonna upload now. You'll see that everything is successful. So you can see that update. So this is our app now. Our app now, these are the process you have finished now. After that, this is the final things is the release. So because this is my second one, I'm just gonna choose number 2 there, and then here it is where you add information. For example, this is the second one. You can add information like the like a bugs fix has been updated, or crashes has been updated, for example, if you have released it before. But since it is your first app, you don't need to do much. You can just say this is my first app, and that's it. Now you're going to roll it out to your internal testers. After you have done that, click. So Uh, these are warning, which usually when you submit app, you get those. They are just Google warning, but it's not something which you need to pay attention unless if it is specifically your app has got some issues. But I have read this on the website, and I could see that at the moment there is only problem with the Huawei device, which Google are aware regarding that. So nothing to do with your apps. So guys, this is how you upload your app, and now you just need to wait for Google to approve it. They will be doing some tests. Those tests, those internal testers, they will tell you that your app is working fine, for example, from different device, and they will give you an update to say what you need to fix. So at the moment, as I said, there's the only issue we have now, it is from Huawei. I can show you from my previous app, which is still in review, but as soon it's going to be released. I have published it in the last two days. I'm just going to show you how they do the test. A few hours after you have released it to internal testers, you will see an email came. So this is the email, which is a pre-launch report for Cartoonies Kiswahili version 1. They are informing me that crashes devices without issue are 6. Security, no. So now you need to go to access full report to see what happens. Okay, you click that and it's gonna take you all the way to Google Console. Now, stability, 13 issues with my app. Performance, 1 unique issues. Accessibility, it is 29. Security and trust, 0. Now, performance, it's only one warning. Accessibility issue, it is 29. Artifact, it is 1. You can get all this information from Google. So test so far performance only 6. Now let's go to stability issue, show summary. There's only one device which has caused the crash. This is not as to say that my app will not be published on Google Play. It will be published because this is a known error. So if I click on the error here, this symbol, and it's gonna, you see, so Huawei, I don't know how you pronounce it, Huawei P8, there is an issue with my device. So this is the device which has tested it, model number, manufacturer, and everything. And if you click play here, from what they have said that there was an issue, you can see here. So this is my app, and this is how exactly it's going to appear on my Google Play. So from what they say, it crashed, but I don't. As I said, this is just a non-error. It's not. It has nothing to do with my app. You can see here that my app is not playing on the last one because they are 1, 2, 3 have published these videos. So if I hide this report, I'm going to check show uh, the rest of the device. So these are just warning. Test device without issues. You see, Samsung Galaxy S9, no issue. Google Pixel 3, no issue. Samsung Galaxy S3, Nokia, Motorola, no issue at all. And I'm going to choose, let's say, Samsung Galaxy S9. You see, so this is the device which has tested it. If I click play, you will see that those are my apps, and there's no issue. You can see now all my video, and it plays normal. So my app has no issue at all. The only issue it is it is the device itself. So these are the advertisements, sorry. Okay, and I'm just gonna forward it to see. You see, it's been tested, everything has been tested, and there's no issue at all. So now it's just to wait for final release from Google. And you can go back on overview, testing overview, and wait. It will tell you like how long you need to wait. So release overview, just go here. You can see your app like available to internal testers, full rollout. This is the date which I have published, which is today, 19th of January, and this was the time, and these are the country available. Okay, and now this is my app, APK version 1, all the information, rollout release. This is where you will get all your information. So at the moment, we still wait for Google to approve this. So again, thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you've got any questions, you can put in the comment box. I will list all the website or all the steps I have taken on description box. Bye.